Hey folks, welcome to week number 10. So this week is really all about research. You should have started that last week. We're going to finish the research this week. If you want to submit research stuff early and get feedback on it, please do so. Just let me know that you're doing it so I know to be checking and keeping an eye out for it. I tend to watch the D2L drop boxes, but if you want to get some early feedback, you can either email it to me or you can submit it and just shoot me a note. Let me know that you'd like some feedback, and I'll try to get in early and give you some feedback, okay? So this week, watch the weekly video, read Precision Searching. I just added this. This is a link out of our textbook, and I think it might give you a little bit of help with figuring out how, if you're struggling to find answers, about what you can do to work with that, okay? So it talks about like sort of developing synonyms and these sorts of things. If you go here, if you go here, this will load up this short section. It'll talk about search strategy, related terms, this sort of stuff. If you go over here, precision searching, then there are main concepts and related and alternate terms and search statements. I'd go through these three pieces as well, particularly if you're struggling to find answers in the scholarly databases, okay? Because they'll give you some guidelines as to how to manipulate the searches in the database in such a way that you're getting the results that help answer your questions. After that, you are simply going to complete your research question template. This is the template that you turned in last week with just your questions on it. This week I want answers and citations. There is a sample here, and then there's a place to submit it. And then finally, I would like to see an introductory paragraph for your essay. So this is just a quick video on introductory paragraphs, a sample, and a Dropbox to submit that, okay? If you've got any questions as you're working this week, don't hesitate to let me know. If there's a point at which you're struggling with your research, let me or let Professor Condon, our librarian, know as soon as possible. Either he or I can help you start to get sort out the questions you can't find answers to, okay? I'm here to help. Just let me know if you need any.